So I broke my phone today. Pretty nasty crack there. And the touch screen doesn't really work anymore. So I'm going to have to get it replaced tomorrow. However, I wanted to still be able to get in and try to back some stuff up in it. And since the touch screen doesn't work, I decided to try this handy little dongle. This changes my USB connection to a regular size USB. And I just plugged my mouse and keyboard Bluetooth connector to it. And now I have my keyboard here and my mouse here, and I can actually use my mouse on the phone, and if I wanted to type something, oops. Pretty cool, right? Typing with the keyboard and mouse. And we're going to hit back. And where's the submit button? There it is. Oh, I forgot to type that it's my phone screen. There we go. And post. So it's pretty neat. It even shows you the little mouse and keyboard icons right there. See that? And you can use it just as if you were touching the touch screen. So for those of you who didn't know, here I can even swipe the screen. If you didn't know, now you know. That's pretty neat. Sucks that my phone is busted, but at least I can get into it, and at least I can back my stuff up before I replace it. Alright, verbal out.